Hey guys, man, welcome back to the shop. It's been a minute. We've moved back to Mississippi, and I've moved my house, my sheds, and we're at the point where we're just about ready to get back to doing wood projects, and just about got everything back in order to where I can work again. I still got a little more to do. But being this close to getting back started, I want to wish everybody, of course now I don't do the secular New Year. For us, the New Year doesn't start till the spring. But it is the secular New Year. I'd like to wish everybody a Happy New Year. I'd like to invite everybody out to watch the woodworking, watch the preaching. We're just one big happy community. Small channel, big hearts. We got a few projects lined up for this year, changing some stuff up. I'm behind on a couple of orders. I had one consignment to do a scroll stand, display stand. I'm still got to build that. I've got to make a kitchen island. I got one person that's requested that, and Brother Schultz over there at Hungry Hearts, he had a chair wrong that was broke. And when I took it down and was going to try to figure out how to fix the wrong, it's not even really, I don't think it's even wood. It's like a plastic glue combination. I don't know what that thing is. But I built him another one out of wood. You can see how it broke. It broke in kind of a slant right through there, and they have a pocket hole in there, so I wonder how that broke. Yeah, not good. But it's some kind of plastic and resin. I don't know. I don't know what that stuff's made out of. But regardless, I built him a new one for his chair, and got one project on the bench I'm finna get started on. But I just wanted to take this time to wish everybody a Happy New Year. Like I say, you know, we don't do the secular New Year. Our New Year doesn't start till spring. But regardless, man, ain't it wonderful. We got Trump back in there. Now if they can ever get him signed on in and inaugurated, we'll be doing real good. Changed some stuff up in the shop. I'm hoping and looking to make it a lot better than it's been. I still haven't got my electricity run. I'm still kind of working off an extension cord, and for some reason, I don't know if it's in the main line itself, got a loose connection, but you'll see my lights flicker every now and then. It does it in the house. Every light socket, every light, everything just flickers. And I've noticed when the wind blows, that's when it starts doing it. So I've got to get that took care of. I'm going to get my wiring done. Still got to get a breaker box. I've got a box, but decided to change that up. But we're going to get us another breaker box, get these wires put in, get my outlets in, get my switches in, and I still got to put my air compressor and my dust collection. I'm going to put it up top and run my hoses down and my line down to the basically this wall. I got a new laser engraver. We're hoping to get it started in the next week or two. Still got to learn how to run that. So it's going to be a big year. It's going to be a big year. Y'all willing? That's what we have planned. I got a diesel heater over in the back there. Comment on guy's video that I could hear his diesel heater in the background. I told him that I commented on his video that I was going to have to come out and do a video to see if my diesel heater, see if I can hear it on the video. But it's running now. It's full blast. You may hear a blower in the background. I'm not sure. I'm going to go in and watch this video, edit it up, and we'll see what we got. But yeah, we're cram-packed full of tools in here. I don't have as much storage here at this new place like I did over at the other place, and we're just having to try to find a place to put everything. I had enough room in my other shed that I could put my bandsaw and my drill press in it and run them out there, and keep a few of the hand tool boxes over there. That's not the case now. We got all kind of home goods and storage in the sheds. It's filled it up, and I've had to bring basically all my tools over here, and this is what we're working with. But we're gonna make it work. Y'all willing? All right, guys. You kind of see what I got going on here and how full it is and how cramped, and we're still gonna do stuff. And this channel is still active, though I haven't posted a shop video in a long while. I've gotten behind on loading up some preaching videos. I've got them backlogged, man. I gotta hurry up and get them loaded up where I can get them off of my flash drives and whatnot, kind of free up some video space. But that's what we got going on. We're gonna start loading up more. This is gonna be a busy year. Y'all willing? We got a lot to do. Got a lot to do. We sure appreciate y'all for stopping by the old path. Man, we surely appreciate you. And remember, everything's going to be all right. Be right today. We appreciate y'all. Have a good one. And may y'all bless each and every one of you. Shalom.